Sometimes when you create a shape tween in Flash, Flash doesn't create it exactly how you want. I'm going to zoom in on the girl's hair. So I have the ponytail bottom layer, and you can see it animates pretty well. But when I unlock the ponytail top layer, the animation doesn't quite look right. So using shape hints, you can actually fine-tune a shape tween to make it work how you want. Let's go to the first frame and add some shape hints. What you do with shape hints is you connect a point in the starting keyframe of a shape to a point in the ending keyframe of the shape. For example, let's say we wanted to make the top left of the ponytail on this layer correspond to the top left of the ponytail in frame 6. So to do that, I'm going to zoom in, and then I'm going to select the shape, and I'm going to choose Modify, Shape, Add Shape Hint. So then you can see Shape Hint A. There's a lowercase a there. And if I click and drag it, it'll snap onto the edge of the hair. Now, if it's not snapping, you should make sure that you have Snap to Objects turned on in the toolbar. That's the little magnet icon. So I'm going to go to frame 6 now, and you can see the Shape Hint A in the middle of the screen. I'll click and drag that to that same part that it was on for the first frame. Notice that it turns green. And then when I go back to the first frame, the shape hint is yellow. That shows me that Flash has successfully set up the shape tween and it understands which points are connected. The next step is to connect more points with using shape hints so the animation is more fluid. See, it still looks a little bit weird. So let's go to the first frame and we'll repeat this whole process. Modify, shape, add shape hint. So I'll move shape hint B to here. I'll go to frame 6 and move shape hint B to the same point. Now when I scrub from frame 1 to 6, you can see the animation is a little bit more clean. You can add more shape hints if you'd like to refine the animation further, but for now, that's good for me. So with shape hints, you have control over shape tweens so you can fine-tune them to suit your needs.